isso é oh, música pra tudo favela. Paris é tudo a lusofônia. Vamos dizer Teixeira, vamos embora. Ei, 1, 2, 3 pra favor. Essa música litera.
We're here at the Africa Utopia contemporary fashion show, and I'm here with the MC. What are you going to be showing everyone today?
Today I'm going to be showing my Spring/Summer 16 collection. So it's the silk stuff I've got here on today. I do my own prints. They start off as oil paintings and I put them into Photoshop and print them on silk. I look at animal skins and prints. Like my next collection is inspired by scarification marks found on Yoruba tribe. Africa inspires me so much, in particular Yoruba, because that's where my parents are from. That's the MZ in a nutshell. Street Lux bohemian vibes inspired by British Nigerian culture.
Fab. And one last thing. Will you do this well again?
I'll try.
I'm here with Bernie, the creator of the collection De la Sebure. Can you tell us a bit about what he's wearing, please?
Well, he's wearing a wax print jacket and the matching pants, which is like an inspiration from the 70s. It sums up the idea of the brand. It's something more edgy, different, not for the regular man, but someone who wants to stand out.
What do you think African fashion means to the world right now, and what may it come to mean in the future?
To most of the people, African fashion is all about prints. And to me, the future of African fashion will be just to be fashion before being African. And the idea is to show that there is a lot of prints in Africa, but there is also a lot of other things, talking about fabrics, talking about inspirations. So to me, African fashion will be mainstream in the upcoming years.
Omar is a young up-and-coming designer, 19 years old and already presenting.
In my collection I always try to put a lot of my background. I'm from Belgium and from Mali, so the African culture is very present in my work. I work with African textiles like the bogolan, all natural like silk, cotton, and I try to mix everything to have like a modern new view on the more traditional fabrics of Africa. I tried to work with like structure lines and show the female body without too revealing.
So there's a very fitted aspect to it.
Yeah, my clothes are very fitted and close to the body.
What is your view on African fashion, and where do you think it's going to be going in the future?
I think it will be very present because now the youth is really like trying to show the African culture by clothes, by music, by art. So I think Africa is really on the rise for this moment.
My name is Virginie and I'm having a brand that is called Ruby Cosmetics. My makeup is made of very bold color, very impressive color, bright, and the color that you cannot see everywhere. And we thought that it could be very nice with the African clothes that are very colorful.
What's your favorite color to work with?
This color, the khaki color, I think it's very nice with my skin.
I've been Burma Owusu-Nyanschi for Africa. Thank you.